we got graduation Build-A-Bears. And first we filled them, then we couldn't figure out how to scan it, and then we figured it out, and we named them after our college mascots. And then Twin threatened to punch Gracie in the face, and that is the end.
This is a real find.
Just buy it. You don't have to rationalize everything.
All right, I will buy it. It'll be good for the economy.
My name's Hayden Burton. You alright? I'm from America. BPBD, now freeze! You'll be seeing more of me in my TikToks, yeah? So keep watching. Bye!
Haciendo mi yaucito.
I just wanted to share something really cool with you. As most of you know, my dad passed away February 9th, and one of my favorite animals is a longhorn, right here. And I was going through Build-A-Bear one day, don't know why, and a longhorn showed up on there. And I kind of started thinking, you know, perfect, how can I incorporate this with my dad? And I forgot you can record like personal messages. It doesn't even have to be like the sounds that they offer. So I recorded my dad's absolute last voicemail to me, which just happened to be on my birthday. Listen.
Speaking of your dad, I was just calling to tell you happy birthday. I hit you up on Facebook. I guess you and Brent are probably out having a good time. I'm trying to get over to Brent too, but give me a holler when you get a chance. I hope you have a good one. Okay, I love you. Talk to you later. Bye.
And I get to push it and listen to his voice every night if I need to. And they also send you a birth certificate. So my dad's name is Ricky, and my little longhorn was born on the day that my
Mother? And you shoot her down.
Oh, Tink said it was a bird.
Tink said what? Well, she said you said to shoot it down. Tinker Bell. Tink. Come here. You're charged with high treason, Tink. Are you guilty or not guilty? Guilty? But don't you know you might have killed her? Tinkerbell, I hereby banish you forever.
Slade. Literally traumatizing. Slade. No comment. Partially slayed. Merry Christmas. I don't know how to feel. Slayed the house boots down, Houston, I'm deceased. Slayed. Yeah, slayed. A minute slay, like 1/3 slay. Slayed if the VMAs were a funeral.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong.